Please, I've been looking for you. I didn't know that you are at a shop.
Okay. I'm here.
There's something that is disturbing me.
Okay. Okay.
I wanted to come and tell you something important. You understand me?
Okay.
I want you to take Mmakwara to be working for you. Are you with me?
Mmakwara.
Yes, my son, Mmakwara. And not just that, I have a financial challenging issue.
Okay.
So, if you take him to be working for you,
Yeah.
which I know that you will help me and do that,
Yeah.
you give me his 2 months salary.
Are you playing?
Please.
I want to give you Mmakwara salary when Mmakwara never work.
My brother, I have a financial problem that I'm facing. You understand me?
Okay.
And by the time, if I should let me wait the next 2 months, it's not going to be easy for me. So please help me, let me solve the problem now. Mmakwara will start work for you tomorrow. Please.
Okay. I believe you know how much I pay my people.
Yes, 10,000.
Yes, I've discussed that with you.
Even though it's small, let me have it, please.
If I give you that money, it's based on trust too.
Yeah, don't be you will not be disappointed.
This regime where we dey, before you give person small money sef, you go tell am make he bring guarantor, make he bring this, make he bring that. But based on you, who I know, and your antecedent, now wetin wan make me give you the money?
Even though I don't know what you mean by antecedent, trust me, I will not disappoint you. Yeah?
No wahala. No wahala.
Please.
I don't have cash here. Hope you will take transfer.
No, I don't have problem. Run it, please.
Okay. Let me have your details.
The account number.
Yes.
561 3980. That is Nwagbason Bank.
Nwagbason Bank. Okay. Okay, I've seen it. Okay. Check your phone. I've sent the money.
As long as I say you have sent it, I don't have any problem. Let's go.
No. Okay.
You don't want Mmakwara to work to start work tomorrow or today?
Mmakwara is working from now because I don't see you now.
Let's go now. Follow me. Let's go to my house. Let's go. Yeah, my son, only you can wash 30 cars in a day. So you will have a good worker there. He will deliver in your shop.
My job.
Son of mine.
Okay.
Mmakwara. Mmakwara Chukwu. Come. Yes. Afternoon, my boy. How are you? That's my son.
Are you?
This is your son?
Yes.
The one you said is coming to my shop to work.
Yes.
At my car wash.
This boy will deliver in your shop very diligently.
It is small.
Please, I have paid you for 2 months in advance for his service at my shop. I don't want him to work at my shop. Give me back my money. That's what I need.
You say?
I say give me back my money. I don't need him.
If what we are talking about now is a contract, you are the one.
Oh, God, me and you did not have the contract.
You are the one bridging.
Me and you did not have the contract.
We agreed in your shop. How can you say that against my son?
Wait, see, I don't want to downgrade him. I don't want to insult
You have already done that.
Oh, God, you are the one that is taking this is very high. I don't want problem as you see me. All I needed is my money. Return me back my money. Give it to me the way I gave it to you. I don't want to. Don't make me to talk. Don't make me to lose my temper. Now I'm angry.
I want you to
give me my money.
I'm not.
I said I need my money. I said I need my money. I said I need my money. Okay.
Wala.
You see, the plan worked. Where's my son? Let him come and collect this rich money. Now, this guy.